I've ordered the Hike-It throttle controller from their official website, and let's see what's inside. Alright, so it looks like we have a keychain. Yep, that looks like the actual controller. That's funny. And of course the manual, which would explain all the modes. And let's open furthermore. Let's dig in. Okay, so we have the actual module here. So this goes in between the cable from your car and to your pedal. So it goes in the middle. So this is the alcohol wipe that you use when you want to wipe a surface, any part of your car, so you can mount the controller. All right, what else? All right, looks like we have a promotional, like a Hike-It sticker. I mean, if you would like, you can stick that in your car. Be proud to be a Hike-It user. Cable ties for cable organization, cable management, and a double-sided tape, which would work in conjunction with the alcohol wipe. More cable ties. And let's take out the actual controller. So this is it. This is the size of it. Looks like it looks very different compared to the other controllers out there. All right, so this is the mounting, like a plastic bracket. You can screw or you can use the double-sided tape, but there's no screws available or included in the box, so just be mindful of that. All right, let's see what we have here. So we have buttons and buttons and buttons in a knob. So we have a V button. It says an L button, which is red, and an A button. We have to dig into the manual to see what those are, and a down and an up button. All right, so this knob is unique. Other throttle controllers don't have this. I actually like this because it's easier to go to the actual mode that you want to be in. All right, let me try this one, see if it fits properly. I should just be able to slide this in. Let's see. Correct, yep. There you go. And the double-sided tape, which I assume would go at the back, and you stick it on any part of your dashboard after wiping it with the alcohol wipes, of course. Let's look at this cable end. Looks like this connects to that part of the module. Right, all right, so this basically communicates with the actual module. I think the actual module is this one, and the other one with the buttons is just, to control the module. All right, let's see what it says here. It says lifetime warranty. All right, so that's good. They stand behind the product, so this product should be of high quality. All right, let me just show you the actual module and the controller before we go into the car and install it. All right, that should be enough, and we'll go to the car now. So the first step is to locate your pedal controller, unlock the cable, and you can see that this is a female end, and going to your Hike-It controller, throttle controller, find the male end of the cable and just plug it into the female one. Like so. And the other end now goes back to the original port of your pedal. I hope that makes sense. The next thing you need to do is to tuck it in there. Make sure that it doesn't become a hazard when you're driving. All right, everything is connected now. So if I start the ignition, we should get power. There you go. Perfect. All right, let's go through. Let's put this on in off position first. There you go. And let's go through each buttons and the knob, and let's see what happens on the screen. From the off position, I'm going to the auto. Yep, and then we go to 4x4 Eco. And the next one is Cruise. Next one is Sport. I like how they named it, you know, kind of self-explanatory. Next one is Hike It. And the next one is Off. So let's go back to Off. All right, let's go back to Hike It. And let's see what the button does. The first one, it says V, L, and A. Pressing the V says Valet. Cool. All right, let's go to the L. Pressing it says Launch. All right, Launch. Press it again, turn it off, and then we go back. We go to the A, Anti-slip. All right, perfect. All right, what else can we do here? Oh yeah, the buttons. The down arrow button, and if we press it, it lowers the intensity, and the up arrow does the opposite. Okay, perfect. All right, in this part of the video, I'm just installing it permanently now on the flattest part of my dashboard. Unfortunately, the Forester's dashboard has a lot of curves, so it's really hard to find a flat part where I can mount it. Yep, so this is the place where I chose to mount it. Cool, so now I've installed the throttle controller, and I'm going to have a drive around our neighborhood. I can definitely feel that the pedal is more touchy and more sensitive to when you press it compared to if you didn't have the throttle controller installed. I understand that I don't get extra horsepower with throttle controllers, and to be fair, Hike-It does not advertise such. What it does is it gives you the power early compared to OEM. Situations like defensive maneuver and overtaking requires immediate response from both the driver and the vehicle. And I believe throttle controllers help in this aspect. Okay, so I found a road with relatively straight line. I'll park here. Set the controller to off. So basically, it's now like OEM. And I'll floor the pedal. Here we go. And that feeling is very familiar, which is good. At least we know that if you set it to off, it's like the controller's not there. All right, I'm going to take a U-turn, make a U-turn, and set the car into position again, just after this curve. And then what I'll do next is to press the red L button. Now it says launch, and floor it. Alright, I can definitely feel the difference. Yep, there's no power gain, but instead of waiting for power to kick in, you get it almost instantly. So the thing works. Again, you're not getting any power or more power, but you'll get it early. I think it works, and it makes my Forester feel like a different car. Hopefully it helps me in off-road situations or even overtaking when I need to. Thank you guys for sticking around up to this minute, and I appreciate your time. if you're looking for throttle controllers, just check out HiKit. I think you'll be happy with it. I am happy with it. See you around. Bye.